Okay, so we're going to go ahead and dive in. I'm going to be sharing today the best iPhone apps for wedding photographers. I'm a full-time wedding photographer alongside my husband. We do it full-time. We shoot 30 to 40 weddings a year. So I live on my iPhone. I use it for work. I use it for personal life. The first app that we love is called Planoly. Planoly is a Instagram post scheduler. I'm able to spend 2 to 3 hours in one day and map out Instagram posts for the entire month. You can write captions, you can schedule the date, the time, and you can also forward it to Facebook and the Instagram account associated with it. The next one is B&H Photo. B&H Photo obviously is an incredible camera gear store. It's based out of New York. We order all of our items and gear from there. We love B&H Photo. The third is Photoshop Express. When we are on the go and need a quick photo edited, Lightroom Mobile is probably my next most favorite app. I love Lightroom Mobile. I can edit using presets that are already on there. More about our presets to come. But Lightroom Mobile has just amazing features for the phone and for photos. 5, 6, and 7, Unfold, Canva, and WordSwag. Unfold and Canva and WordSwag are 3 social media post creators. So it allows you to create really pretty Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook headers. It's a great tool if you are not a graphic designer and don't have a ton of experience in the specs and dimensions for social media assets. My next favorite app is QuickBooks. I'm not going to show you what that looks like because I don't want to show you all of our personal and business finance, but QuickBooks is incredible. Along with bank apps, be sure to have those so you can check your accounts, make sure and figure out what your profit and loss are, make sure you have money in your account when you need to pay your bills, all of that. And last but not least is my Fitbit app. As a wedding photographer, I definitely get my steps in. I can see what days of the week I've worked out when I forget what day it is. So hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed our favorite apps, best apps for the iPhone for wedding photographers.